Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer knowledge with Pluralsight, full guide step by step clearly. To begin transferring knowledge with Pluralsight, first log into your Pluralsight account. Navigate to the dashboard where you can find various courses and learning paths. Identify the specific skills or topics you wish to transfer knowledge about. Utilize the search bar to locate courses relevant to your chosen topic. Once you find a course, review its content outline and prerequisites. Select the Start Course button to begin the learning process. As you progress through the course, take notes on key concepts and insights. After completing the course, consider summarizing the main points in a document. Next, explore Pluralsight's skills assessments to gauge your understanding. Use this information to tailor your knowledge transfer approach based on the assessment results. For collaborative learning, create a learning group with peers or colleagues. Schedule regular meetings to discuss course content and share insights. Encourage group members to complete the same courses for a cohesive learning experience. For further depth, explore related courses to enhance your understanding. Keep track of progress using Pluralsight's reporting tools to monitor individual and group achievements. Finally, encourage feedback from your peers to refine your knowledge transfer methods. By following these steps, you can effectively utilize Pluralsight to share knowledge and skills within your team, or, if the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.